Hey guys, it's Eric here. Greetings. Today I'm here to talk about how to become a member of the Halo Insider program and how to, Well, basically, I'll elaborate on what it means to be in the Halo Insider program and why I think that Master Chief Collection will be a strong release on PC, and we'll read through this article together. This article is the most recent update on the Halo Insider forum. So this is the newest Master Chief Collection content that we have. So if you like these type of videos where I'm just reviewing like news and things of that sort, then just let me know by liking the video, subscribing, commenting down below your opinions, how you feel about it. And this is my disclaimer. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my opinion supported by the information I've gathered from this article and just my speculation and things of that sort. So I can understand if you don't agree with my opinion, that's fine. You know, I'm not saying, oh, you have to agree with my opinion to watch this video. It's just more along the lines of respect my opinion as I will respect your opinion. I'll never shit on someone's opinion in the comment section or anything like that. So if you have a certain opinion, make sure to put it in the comment section. I will most likely get back to you. It's nothing that serious. But getting on with the video. So first off, how to become a member of the Halo Insider, or how to become a Halo Insider member, whatever, blah blah blah. Basically, just Google Halo Insider. I'm probably gonna put a link in the description just to help out. But and that'll take you right to the sign up page, and you just want to click the big gray button that says sign up, or just one of those things. But if you don't want to do it from there, just go to the Halo website. Go to community right here, Halo Insider right there. It'll take you right to the page where you can sign up, and it elaborates on what Halo Insider is, all those types of things. But basically what it means to be a Halo Insider is you gain access to the early game dev. Sorry, I keep looking over here. I'm looking at myself. I don't know why. I should be looking here. Anyways, what it means to be a Halo Insider is that 343 will send you game devs and instructions on how to give them feedback. Now, I think it's a cool thing that it exists and that they are involving the community opinion, or taking the community's opinion into effect, and also utilizing, better word, the community to make their game the best they can be at launch, because they're 343. It's not that they don't like Halo, which is why Halo 5 was bad. Halo 5 was bad because they wanted to take a new take. They wanted to make a new take on the Halo games and give it more of that immersive feeling, with aim down sights and a whole bunch of other things. They're trying to move Halo forward, but unfortunately, that's not what the Halo fans wanted. We wanted something that was more closer to home, but still with new stuff. Anyways. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, so they'll send you game devs, and I think it's cool. However, everyone should not sign up. And the reason being is because not everyone is, a diehard Halo fan that knows everything about the games and, in and out. I know Halo 1, 2, and 3 in and out. I know Reach, exceedingly well, and Halo 4 is moderately well. I played the game on Legendary, beat it on Legendary I meant, and I played a good bit of multiplayer, so I know what the game's all about, that type of thing. But moving on, you'll get game dev builds, and they'll give you information on what you need to do, all those types of things. I think it's really cool. I'm happy they're doing that, and it makes me feel safe about the future of Master Chief Collection on PC. I guess I'll move on to the article now, and anything that pops into mind, I'll just talk about it. So it starts to go about how the original poster is talking about, what's going on right now. I'm just going to skip over that. Here he's talking about flighting. Now, what flighting is like I said, they send you the developer builds and you can try it out. Things that I expect from there is like certain campaign stages, certain things, making sure everything is fine, like software, UI, all those types of things, like anything of that nature, textures, just anything could be tested to make sure it's okay. But in the post, he was saying how it should be starting around this month, but it's kind of one of those things where if anything goes wrong, then it's a setback. But they want it. They want Master Chief Collection builds to start being released for insiders sometime this month, and if not, then I'm sure it'll be within the first 15 days of the next month. If they don't run into any huge complications, that is. But just moving on about more things that I want to talk about. He already has Master Chief Collection, or Halo Reach Master Chief Collection running, which I think is great. So they already started the port, which is great. It's just finalizing the port and like making sure everything is nice and pretty for us loyal fans. Here he goes on to talk about how he wants full mouse and keyboard support. There's going to be support for all aspect ratios except for widescreen at this time. Complete 144 and uncapped frame support, 144 hertz and uncapped frame support, which I think is superb. That is exactly what I was looking for, because honestly, if I got my Halo experience at 60 frames per second in 2019 on a PC, that would have been a problem. I would have not been okay with that. I would have, my jimmies would have been rustled, but it wouldn't have sat with me that well. Another thing that really got me like nice and relaxed and not worried at all about Halo Master Chief Collection's multiplayer is it says that 343 has a pro team of MLG Halo players for balancing. Now, if you watch my other content, like I play League, I play other MMO games that have like weekly just patching on a basis, right? League of Legends would be a much better game if they took this approach. Sorry if I'm destroying your ears. I'm just very passionate about this type of thing. But if League of Legends made this, if League of Legends took this into consideration, I would have no doubts in my mind that League would become instantly a more flawless game. And I'm not saying that League doesn't take in what their community is saying. I'm just saying that if they had a direct team of people, 15, 10 people that were just everything has to go through them before it gets released, it would just be so much better. Because it seems like that this is exactly what it's saying. It says help focus, they're assisting, but I'm sure they're their own branch that changes have to go through, just like a system of government. But that's one thing that really, really made me feel safe. That's really all I have to say about why you shouldn't be worried. I mean, if you think about it, it's really just putting the games over, making sure that the mouse and keyboard has full support, making sure matchmaking is good, making sure the games don't have any major bugs from the port process. And to quote the head of 343, he doesn't like quoting, or he doesn't like porting. He doesn't like using the word porting, so I'll say reimagining Halo on PC. I'm pretty sure that's what he said. But other than everything I said, I'm not really worried about it, honestly. all the rest of this article goes on about is just him talking about like when the dev builds will start being released and that type of thing. But now I kind of just want to talk about what's it called? I completely forgot what I wanted to talk about. Well, I'll see if it comes to me for like 5 seconds. So, practically, just to review, full controller support, well, controller and mouse and keyboard support, 144 hertz, 4K, and HDR. And that's about it, honestly. For those of you that didn't know, Master Chief Collection on PC was announced about 3 weeks to a month ago. Somewhere in that range, 2 weeks to a month ago, yeah. I'm too lazy to just look it up, so that estimate is fine. That doesn't really matter because it's already announced now. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, one thing that's important is if you do not have a Steam account, make one. If you plan on being a Halo insider, I mean, if you need to make a Steam account in 2019, you know, do you really own a computer? You know, but because that's how they're going to be seeing the dev builds. They're not going to be sending it through the Microsoft Store. And the signing up for the Insider is really straightforward. If you've done, like, if you signed up for anything online, it's really straightforward. The user interface is really friendly. To anyone, a grandpa could sign up, you know? Because there's detailed directions for everything you have to do. It only takes like 4 minutes to sign up. It's not even that hard. But you must be 18. If you are not 18, do not sign up, okay? Because, you know, yeah, it's fun and cool to like sign up and like play, but if you can't accurately describe what bugs or what issues are in the dev build, do not sign up, okay? So now that that's out of the way, that's basically the conclusion to my video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like the video, like, subscribe, check out my Twitch in the link below, and check out my other videos if you enjoyed this one. You know, I'd really appreciate it. It really helps me out a lot. And all I can really say to that is if you check out my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. I appreciate anyone that views my videos, because this is just something I do for fun. So anyone that spends time watching my videos, I dearly, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate you spending your time watching my videos. This has been Eric.